Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the ratios and percentages based on the given question. First example is, a picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be rupees 4,280. Can you tell? Okay, the first question is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. Okay, solution. First, let's see what is given, what to find, then we'll go on to solving the question. So, it's given a picnic is being planned in a school for class 7 students. So, in class 7 students means we'll have both girls and boys. So, and it is given that the girls are 60% of total number of students. So, total number of girl students is 60% and they are 18 in number. So, total number of girls is 18. Okay, and it's given the picnic site is 55 km from the school. So, they are going to travel 55 km from the school. So, and the charge for their kilometer is 12 rupees per kilometer. And they are taking refreshments. So, the total cost of the refreshment, the whole class is given as 4,280. This is what given. Now, what we are asked to find? The ratio of number of girls to the number of boys in the class. So, to find the ratio, we need to know the number of boys and also the total number of students. So, we have to find number of boys and total number of students. Then only we can find the ratio of number of girls to number of boys in the class. So, now let's consider the total number of students be X. So, therefore, it's given 60% of total number of students, that is X, is equal to 18 girls. Okay, so 60% is nothing but 1 divided by 100. So, I have written 60 divided by 100. Of means in mathematical term, it's multiplication. So, into X equal to 18. Now, we are going to solve for this X. So, now X is equal to 18 into 100 divided by 60. So, 18 into 100 is 1800 divided by 60. So, 0 will get cancelled. 180 divided by 6. So, it will be 30. So, the total number of students is 30. So, the same total number of students we can also find using unitary method. Okay, so the unitary method, let us see how to do that. So, there are 60 girls out of 100 students because it's given as 60% girls. So, percentage we are taking as 100 students. So, there is one girl out of 100 by 60 students. So, 18 girls are out of how many students? So, we want to find the number of students is equal to 100 divided by 60 into 18. So, same way 18 into 100 is 1800 divided by 60. So, you will get 30. So, in both the cases the total number of students is 30. So, you can use any method to find the total number of students. So, now we have found out total number of students and it is given number of girl students. So, we can find the number of boys now. So, number of boys is equal to 30 minus, that is total number of students, minus number of girls, that is 18. So, 30 minus 18 is 12. So, number of boys is 12. So, now we want to find the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. So, number of girls is 18 to number of boys is 12. So, we can write the same in the fraction as 18 divided by 12. If you simplify, you will get it is 3 divided by 2. So, 3 divided by 2 can be written as 3 is to 2. So, this symbol is read as is 2. So, 3 is to 2. So, thus the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is 3 is to 2. The next part of the same question is the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. You want to find cost for per head, that is cost for each student. So, if 2 teachers are also going with the class. So, what is given? The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be rupees 4,280. So, now what we want to find? The cost per person, that is cost of one people. So now let us see how to find this. So now the total transportation charge is equal to distance in both the ways into the rate for the distance. Rate means the amount for the distance. So distance for one way it is given 55 kilometer. So distance for going and coming back is 55 into 2 into for each kilometer they are charging 12 rupees. So 55 into 2 is 110 into for each kilometer is 12 rupees. So we are multiplying with 12. So now 110 into 12 is 1320. So the total expenses is equal to refreshment charge plus transportation charge. So refreshment charge they have given totally it is 4280 plus the transportation charge is 1320. So if you add this, the total amount will be rupees 5600. Okay, so now we have found out the total amount. Now we will find the total number of persons going for the picnic. We know that it's 18 girls plus 12 boys and their 2 teachers are going along with them. So 18 plus 12 plus 2. So it will be 32 persons. So using unitary method, we can find the cost per head. So for 32 persons, the amount spent will be rupees 5600. So the amount spent for one person is rupees 5600 divided by 32. So if you divide, your answer will be rupees 175. So thus we can say the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class is rupees 175. The next part of the same question is, if their first stop is at a place 22 km from the school, what percentage of the total distance of 55 km is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? So we know that they are traveling a total distance from school to the picnic spot is 55 km. Now if they are in 22 km, you want to find what is the percentage they have traveled and what percentage they are yet to travel. So for this, to find the percentage of distance, if 100% is 55 km, so they have traveled the total distance, then it will be 55 km. But they have traveled only 22 km. So we can take this as X percentage is 22 km. So therefore we can write multiplying the ratio by 100 divided by 100 and converting to percentage. So 22 divided by 100 into 100 divided by 100. So we know that 1 by 100 is percentage. So we can rearrange this equation like this. 22 into 100 divided by 55 into 1 divided by 100, because 1 divided by 100 is percentage. So now we can simplify like this. 22 into 100 is 2200 divided by 55 into 1 divided by 100 is percentage. So 2200 divided by 55 is nothing but 40. So 40 percentage. So when they are at the distance of 22 kilometers, they have covered 40 percentage. So now using unitary method, we will find the answer for the same part. So out of 55 km, 22 kilometers traveled. So out of 1 kilometer, they have traveled 22 divided by 55 km. So out of 100 km, so 22 divided by 55 into 100 km. So if you simplify this, you will get 40. So they have traveled 40% of the total distance. So now both the method gives the same answer, that the distance from their school of place where they stopped at was 40% of the total distance they had traveled. So now how much the remaining they have to travel? So 100 minus 40. So that is they have to travel 60%. So that 60% of the distance is left to be covered. Hope you have understood how to find the percentage using this ratio and proportion methods. Thank you for watching the video.